when it's Monday and you got absolutely nothing to do but take out your flapper valve on your ZX10R. You getting out of here today, buddy. I'm not gonna make a walkthrough on this video because I did not know how to take the whole front end of my bike off. And the video footage so far is just trash. It's so unorganized, it doesn't make any sense. So just know that in this video, or in one of the videos I was gonna make, I took out the flapper valve on my ZX10R. So I'm gonna keep rocking on, baby. All right, so I got the block off installed, straight air, straight through. And these are the parts that came off the bike. There's one more hose I gotta take off, which is this hose right here. This is going to the throttle bodies. So I'm gonna take that off next, but I'm gonna put the whole front of the bike back together and then take off the fuel tank. So, because it's not a video or complete, but basically all you really gotta do is just take off this front part. I don't know how to do that. And I had to walk through the video I made to how to take off the whole front end is not good at all. So I'm just showing you that I'm doing the flapper delete on the bike, and I'm gonna go for a spin, but let me put the bike back together. After removing all these parts, the bike is officially back together. And I don't know if you guys remember, in my ECU flash, I requested that the flapper valve sensor get deleted. So the sensor is right here. And now when I turn the bike on, the check engine light goes away. With no flapper valve. Yeah, boy. Quick review on the flapper delete. I'm gonna be real with you, right? Since I've done the flapper delete, I did notice that my fuel mileage, I was gonna say from where I live to here, before I got the ECU flashed, and I have the bike the way it's set up currently, I would have burned 1.1. I would have burned 1.1 fuel, and from where I live to here now is 0.8 to get to this location. I did go to 123 and 115 miles twice coming here today, and it's 0.8. Before, I would stay under 8 grand, because this is when I was breaking the bike in, and from where I live to here, it was 1.1 on the fuel. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I don't know if it's a flapper delete or the ECU flash, but I do know that I burn a lot less fuel currently with my current configuration. If that makes sense. I don't know. Whatever, forget this video.